Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery, and my name is Linda, and here you will find lots of various videos, giveaways, tutorials. There are yarn hauls, podcasts, but today is a yarn haul, and I've got a yarn haul from Hobbii. So shall we get into it, guys? Let's get into it. So I hope everybody's well, guys. I hope everybody is well. Hope everybody is keeping well. So first thing I want to share with you is sock yarn that I've purchased for my sock yarn giveaways next year. So they are Silly Socks Flower Pop. And we've got 75% wool, 25% polyamide. It's a one weight. You've got 100 grams, 400 meters, 437 yards, and 2.5 to a 3.5 millimeter needle, knitting needle, which is a US 2 or a 2 to a 4. Or if you use crochet hook, if you crochet your socks, guys, it's a 4 to a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, which is a USG 6 or a 7. And yeah, so that's what I've got. So we've got that colour. We've got that colour. We've got that colour. We've got that colour. And we have got them colours as well. So I've bought 6 months worth of sock yarn. So they're going to be giveaways. So that's the first lot. The second thing I purchased is the rainbow cotton yarn. And I really do like Hobbie's cotton yarn. It's really nice. So let me see if I can get into it. Excuse the crackle, guys. So it's kind of like an ombre effect. Can you see in the greens? So we have got, they're all the same specs, so I'll only read one to you. So I really like this tealy green. And it's got a centre pull as well, which I really like, guys. So this is a Rainbow 8/4. It's 100% cotton, 50 grams, which is 1.75 ounces, 170 meters, which is approximately 186 yards. Again, a 2.5 to a 3.5 millimeter knitting needle, which is a US 10. A US 2 to 4. It's a super fine, which is a one weight, and you use a 2.5 to a 3.5 millimeter hook, which is USA C or E, C2E. And yeah, so that's the yarn. Really nice and soft. And I'm going to do a video, guys, and letting you know what I plan for next year on my channel. So there's going to be tutorials, both knitted and crochet. Obviously, I'm hoping, my interviews are going to be starting up again. My interview series is going to be starting up again in the new year. So yeah, so that's something that I purchased, the cotton. You all know I love my cotton. And then I ordered this. It's a handmade vintage. It's a luxurious blend of wool, bamboo. So it's wool and bamboo, guys, and you all know I love my bamboo. And let's see what the specs are. So we've got 70% wool, 30% bamboo, 100 grams, 240 meters, which is about 266 yards. Knitting needles 3 to 4 millimeter, and and that. So yeah, so and I got this neutral colour, and this is made in Denmark actually. So I got it doesn't say what weight it is either, but I'm thinking this is a roving yarn, guys. I think it's a DK weight. Let me see if I can get one. Yeah, it's a DK roving, guys. That is not a 4 weight, that is definitely a 3 weight. So yeah, so I got 5 of those. 5 of those. I've not decided what I'm going to make with them yet, but they might make if I do some colour work. This will be nice, you know, for hats and cowls and stuff like that. So yeah, so that is quite it's upside down, isn't it? Oh gosh, I've dropped them, guys. I've dropped them. So yeah, so this is called Vintage Go Handmade. So I know it's a bit of a boring colour, but it will look fabulous with other yarn and, you know, other colours and that, which is why I've got quite a lot of coloured yarn, but not neutrals. So I quite like my neutrals. So yeah, so this is it itchy? No, it's not itchy on my skin. So yeah, so I've got that. So I've got 5 of them. Let's see if I can show you. There we go. Vintage. I think it's always well to have some neutrals in your stash, guys, because you can mix it with other yarns. And I've just seen something that might go really nice with it, because this is Yarn Bees hand dyed magenta, and I think that will look nice with some colour work. What do you think, guys? I think that would look nice with it. Let me just move that out the way so I don't lose it. So let me get it. So what do you think? I think they would make a nice hat and cowl set. Yeah, crocheted or knitted, guys. Yeah. So yeah. So watch this space, guys. And then I got my freebies are darning needles. No sweeties this time, guys. No sweeties this time, but I got some of them, which always come in handy, and I'll pop them back in there. And that's it from me for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. That's just telling me my my order. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And before I go, let me know what you would like to see on my channel. What would you like to see me do? I plan on doing tutorials next year, obviously, with everything that's been going on since August. I just haven't had the time and, to be honest, the inclination to make any tutorials with everything that's gone on with my dad. So please do forgive me, but next year, new year. So let's see, eh? You tell me what you would like to see me to do. On my channel. What would you like to see happen on my channel? So again, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.